Hey YouTube, I wanted to come on and introduce myself before just throwing a video out at you. I'm Brandy. Thank you for tuning in. Excuse this hair, I'm in the process of letting it grow. And I'm at that stage where I want to get some clippers and cut it off, but I'm gonna let it grow. I think I can hang in there. I need to dye it, so I might dye it later on tonight. If I do, I might dye it on camera just so you guys can see. So I might just do that tonight. But so this morning I did prepare chicken fajitas for my husband. So I went to the nail shop right now to get my nails done. I took them off so they can breathe, and I was going to let them breathe for a couple of weeks. 3 days I need to do something with these. I do have a candle party tonight, so I'm on my way. Get my nails done, and I have to make it to my candle bar at least by 6 o'clock to get the wax hot and ready for the people. So stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So tell me you old school without telling me you old school. This is my signature go-to. Either this or green, and they're always going to be short. Okay, guys, I'm on my way to the candle shop to get this wax on.
The Bluetooth is ready to pair. The Bluetooth is connected successfully.
到甚至可以说再见。你说分手后就可以成为终点，我却只有把过去都当成是危险。你说当初只是我的理想纪录片，我愿意在一直但我只是蜕变。Now we're loving, it's every nothing we're lonely. You say it's okay, it's a rainy day. Say I think I'm doing love it just to say it. Let's go be free, tell me in my day. 那边静静看着家人带着微笑。你说你要寻找你所需要的世界，我只有2个眼睛在了解。你说结局只是你所预料的情节，而在这里就是刻在你的心上。你说对我其实只是一场事情加你，我最终才发现你给的只是唯一。你说再见只是对你瞬间是你过去，那些眼泪只有让你对我逃避。Now we're loving, it's all every nothing without lonely. You say it's okay, it's a rainy day. Pay attention to me, love me just to say it. Let's go be free, tell me in my day. Nothing changing, conscience and imagination. You say hello, it's a heartbreak. Come on, let's bring it through my way, yeah. You say hello, I'm the joy in my heart. Baby, you hold on, have a moment. You say the truth is the whole of the freedom. Tell me how will you do to me, oh. So I should finish you, man, you didn't want me. You say my life, I just have a longing.
100. It's my signature scent right here, so I know it's good.
Oh, that smells good. Sissy, I'm doing this for your birthday.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat.